and welcome to my studio. Today we're going to do a quick tip and talk to you about where to buy fall leaves. Today for a quick tip, I wanted to kind of talk to you about fall leaves. This is my bag of fall leaves, and I have all different kinds of leaves in here. And you can buy them. There's nothing wrong with that. Wait till they go on sale, because there's always a sale coming, as you know. But I look for mine at the thrift store. The one great thing about the thrift store is not only do you get them for a great price, but you also can find different ones that we don't have anymore. One of my favorites is these little tiny maple leaves, I guess they are. But see how beautiful those are, and those would be great for like with jewelry or something small that you're decorating. But there's all types of leaves, and they just throw them in a bag, and that's usually one of the least expensive items at the thrift store, secondhand store. So make sure you look for your supplies there. Another thing that I like to add in mine is the picks, the berry picks, and I use those a lot, and they're hard to find some years and some years they're not. So if you find those at the thrift store, that's just a bonus. I wanted to show you how to also add some glitter to these, just to give them that extra special sparkle like we have on this one here, and you just sets it off, I guess is what I'm trying to say. And I just simply take my gold glitter puffy paint and I run it down the veins. And this one's easy because we've got the veins printed here. And you can do as much or as little, but I don't leave them thick like that. I come in with my finger and I spread them out a little bit so it looks like they're, well, so you can see the sparkle and it's just not sitting on a hard clump. Or you can do the whole leaf. There's nothing wrong with that. And as being a girl, I like things even a little bit sparklier, more sparkle. We know that's not a word. So I put a little bit of just real fine gold on it just to even make it pop that much more. You can see how really pretty that is. And I just used a poly flake that's a real small glitter. You can use any type of glitter. But see the difference between the leaves? Isn't that just really cool? So next time you're out at the thrift store, make sure you look for items like that. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you learned a little something and where to go look for them. And I hope you find lots of treasures. And give us a thumbs up. If you ever have a question, you can email us at art@miriamjoy.com. Thank you. God bless.